fresh.
Never count me out. I go the yards, yes, the whole nine, even beyond. I am the truth with no facades. My big flex, conquering odds. Never count me out. Never doubt, never count me out. Oh no, never count me out. I'm showing up and showing out.
Hello, my freshies. We are First Impressionz.
These are our siblings.
Your host for this week's episode.
Coming up on the show today,
Fresh Dramedy, Samoan boyfriend meets Palagi parent.
Us. How's about Sarah's at work and she wants me to go meet her parents? I'm outside their house. Solly, you should scap her home.
The biggest gathering of Niueans in the world, Hologa Niue.
I'm here because I want to do it for my family that's in Niue as well, and hoping to make them proud.
And some fresh beats with Deki.
In my head, I'm going like with a very happy, loving R&B type of sound. Ooh, crunchy.
Let's go!
Welcome to Glow Up, and remember to keep it fresh!
Today, because it's Youth Week, I don't think people have a really good perception of OT, of Oranga Tamariki, so their relationship's been a bit strained, so we just wanted to get out into our own community and show the community that, we work for them, we're an agency that tries to help them, so we decided to put on a 3v3 basketball competition. We invited all of our community providers that look after our kids as well, that are in homes, all their stuff, to come and just have a nice day of activity and just get active and, just enjoy the environment and just have a good time, really.
Every year we celebrate Youth Week at the same period of time. Our awesome team at Oranga Tamariki every year has done a 3-on-3 competition that has a collaboration of a whole wide range of different youth organisations. So they bring all their rangatahi down, but there's an extra part to this. So our New Era Collective, they are a local Otara collective based here. They run a lot of these different kaupapa that you see behind me. They've actually put on, in addition to the existing event that our Oranga Tamariki team have done, collab, made it a bigger thing for our Otara community. And this is what we call the glow up. Keep it fresh!
I just love the vibe, the energy that all the young ones bring. I love serving the community. I love giving back to our young ones, all these opportunities that they have now. It doesn't matter what background, what culture you're from, we come together and, just celebrate Youth Week. So, that's what's up, mate. What's up, this E-Man? Shout out to the Scorpions under 9s, Otara. Keep it fresh. Let's go.
It's a lot of, whaamangai and Samoan, a bit too cool to do stuff. But over here, they can be kids, they can properly be teenagers. They can engage with other teenagers, so we're just trying to get back to that, at the essence of who they are.
Today's just an amazing opportunity to do what we always do anyway, which is activate spaces that need to be activated. Otara Town Centre, we got this incredible basketball hoop. Not many town centres have that. So we also acknowledge that there's no one organisation that can do everything, right? So it's really important that we collab, that we work together, that we make our resources stretch, and that we add into the mix all the things, the special skills, abilities, talents, mātauranga, so that we can do the one thing, see our communities thrive, especially our rangatahi.
Keep it fresh!
Buluvinaka, and welcome to Fresh Beats, where we bring the streets to the beats, fresh style. Today I'll be going to the park with my moko. We're going to try and find some good sounds to sample. And hopefully there's some good sounds there. It is pretty rough. Maybe not the rough part. In my head, I'm going like with a very happy, loving R&B type of sound. Don't let up. Don't worry, after this, we're gonna put it straight in the bin. Ooh, crunchy. There's heaps of metal. Wait. Wait a minute. Hit this as hard as you can, okay? Ready? Go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm sure I saw a bottle here somewhere. You ready, Brooklyn? Yeah. Go. I'm not sure I'm gonna fit that into it, but wish me luck. The sound I'm going for is the chips packet. I'm just using it as a layer for the snare, so it just like brings the snare up a little bit. Yeah. Next sound. Where's the bottle?
Found something.
And now to make a beat, but then you spend a day and then come back and listen to it and then you're like, oh, I'm gonna add some more. So it sounds like, you know, a cowbell? So the next one is the Brooklyn's toy. Can use that as a shaker. We're done with our final product. Just to remind you of the sounds that I use, the bottle, the toy, and the potato chip packet. The song is called, and I quote, I found something. Yeah, and that's our fresh beat for the week. Keep it fresh. Yeah.
I play a bit of drums, he plays piano, he plays guitar, they play a bit of both. But in the end, our dad got us singing, which was what he loved most. That's something he's passed on to us. And that's something we all love.
Welcome back to Fresh. We are First Impressionz. If you don't know us by now, then you're gonna find out.
Get lower. Get lower.
I can go lower.
Get lower. Get lower. Talofalava everyone, my name is Genesis Tangaloa.
Talofalava, my name is Josiah Tsupati.
Talofalava everyone, my name is Revelation Tangaloa, and we are the backup singers for Adeaze.
We are actually all brothers. We are sons to Names Tsupati. We've been brought up together singing pretty much our entire lives together and continue that singing at our best college in Auckland, St. Paul's. We've gone from our band performing at a few minor events to jumping up to Josh Tautoffia's. It's quite wicked, especially walking in and seeing all those sets. I think we took a look and we were like, damn.
Our band first started around 2024. We entered the competition, Stand Up, Stand Out. We got unlucky on that year, but in 2025 we were able to take it out as the Suso champs.
The three boys that are singing with us tonight have just finished school last year, so and they did a lot to do with music in school as well. They've got their own school band called First Impressionz, and yeah, I know they love performing, they love singing, and to share that with us, I know they're just as excited.
And it's a good opportunity as well for the boys. Like, you know, what better way than to open for Josh than to have our own nephews and our own kids to jam with us. So.
Just before they started singing for my dad and Uncle V's, me and this guy actually started up before them. I've probably been singing with them for about maybe two years now. Yeah, 2 years. This guy's been there from day dot.
To be honest, to see them take over and do something, especially starting out with such a big gig like this, especially for such a big name in our Polynesian community,
It's just cool for them to get up there and experience the same feeling that I've been blessed to experience, that she's been blessed to experience. And I'm just excited for everyone out there to hear what they can do.
Yeah, it's good to see them perform on stage and knowing that I can always go ask them for tips. Especially from my dad, he always gives me tips as well, so it's good to see them, I guess.
The name of our band is First Impressionz, and there's a little history behind that. It was actually our dad and our uncle's original name for their high school band when they first started, and then moved into their name, Adeaze, from there. So we thought we'd pick up the gauntlet from them and carry that legacy on.
For us three, we learned an instrument each. So I play a bit of drums, he plays piano, he plays guitar, they play a bit of both. But in the end, our dad got us singing, which was what he loved most. That's something he's passed on to us, and that's something we all love.
We're singing Ko Aloha tonight as a tribute to Fiji. Just the way that all of our, voices come together to sing that song, it's quite a beautiful song. I've had to hold my back from crying. I think overall, together, the thing that inspires us most is the reactions we get from people, the way that our music is able to impact others. I often say music is medicine to people. It's the one thing in this world where we can actually use it to bring everybody together. And so when we see other people influenced and impacted by the way we sing, whether it brings them joy during their hard times, that's rewarding to us and inspiring to us. And it's overall why we do music, to bless others, to help others, and sing for others.
I'm Phoenix.
And I'm Shalom, and this is
D for Diaspora.
Come with us as we go to our Hologa Niue practice.
This is where we learn and connect with our culture. Let's go. I grew up in New Zealand all my life. I was born and raised here. I've been wanting to connect with my culture. I've done Polyfest 2 years, and this is my first year doing Hologa. What about you?
I grew up in South Auckland all my life. People speak to me in Niue, but I couldn't really understand. But I'm hoping to understand it now. I'm here because I wanted to work for my family that's in Niue as well, and hoping to make them proud.
I joined Hologa because I watched it last year. It looked really interesting to me, so yeah, I wanted to participate this year. It makes me feel very proud, very connected to my roots. I love performing.
This is my second year coming into Mutalau practice, but my first time coming, I was really nervous.
First time I walked into practice, it felt pretty natural since I've done Polyfest before.
My dad taught me kinda the Niuean language. He's the one who got me into Hologa practice, got me into doing Polyfest. Yeah, and I thank him a lot.
It's been an awesome journey, bringing my daughter. She's half Samoan. Quite proud that she's done this for the second year. And my nana is from Mutalo and my grandpa. We're quite proud to represent and also be part of the band.
I feel proud to do it, mostly for my family and, respecting the culture and their rules.
Important for young people to know their culture, to know where they come from, know their identity. And if they know that, I think, they'll go pretty far. Thank you guys for joining us as we reconnect with our Niuean culture.
Until then,
keep it fresh.
David, can you laugh Palagi Adeaze, they're chill. They don't want to fight you. All they want is for you to laugh at their dry jokes.
Welcome back, freshies.
Time to check the fresh Dramedy. What's a Dramedy?
A dramedy is when you combine a drama and a comedy and make it awesome. Wow, wait a minute. That's fresh, and you know it.
Back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go from the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all this shit.
Yeah, babe.
Whip it up, all these rocks.
Yeah, I'm just outside your house.
Bring it back.
I thought you weren't working today. The parade starts in 2 hours. Oh, without you. Nah, yeah, all good. Nah, I'll go in. I'll go in, yeah. Just me, yeah, by myself. Yeah, okay, bye.
Follow me. No, you follow me. I'm older. I'm bigger. Call Sefa. Bro! Aptus.
How's about Sarah's at work and she wants me to go meet her parents? I'm outside their house.
Solly, you should scap her home. They're probably gonna think you're there tomorrow, wow. Oh, no parade for you too? Unlucky, us.
That's tough.
Put Nico on the phone.
Oh, I'm on the follow me.
Guys, I'm serious. Hey, like I need your help if I want to go to the parade.
Solly, calm down, you serious guy. We got you.
Yo, Brian Soin paying house to Romeo over.
What?
Negative, please confirm identity. Soldier, over.
This is Romeo to Dumb and Dumber. Over.
Tell us what you're wearing. Yeah.
Bro, stuff used, bro.
Okay, no, in all seriousness, okay. First things first.
Don't be yourself. Be Palagi.
What he's trying to say is that Palangis, they're different. They don't really care for guests as much as we do.
Bro, I got K-Fry.
Wait, you got what? Abort mission, I repeat, abort mission right now. Run. If you take that bucket over, it reinforces a negative stereotype that us islanders only like to eat fast food.
Solly, just get the mom something.
Like what?
Like what?
Good afternoon. My name's Sifa, Sarah's partner.
I am very pleased to meet you. Sarah speaks so highly of you.
Activating the offering.
Oh, bless. These are my favourites. Come on in.
He's in. You're in.
Let's go.
So, you've been seeing my daughter for the last couple of months?
Yeah. Yep.
Good man. The Hereford girls are a tough bunch.
David.
Can you laugh? Palagi Adeaze, they're chill. They don't want to fight you. All they want is for you to laugh at their dry jokes.
Sifa, you must be peckish. Let me get some food organised. Here we go. Dig in.
Oh, I know this one happened to me in a dream. Also, you're gonna pick up the knife. You're gonna cut a little triangle off the cheese. Put it on the cracker and eat it. Capiche?
Sorry I'm late. You okay, babe? I hope you guys have been behaving.
Perfect timing. It's nearly time for our afternoon stroll. Sefa, coming along?
Yeah, no, sounds good. Sounds good, yeah.
Blinking! Heck, son! You got some kind of flag business?
No, it's just a big supporter of the Samoan league team.
Oh my god, I totally forgot about the parades. Sefa was supposed to go to the Samoa parades. It's kind of like a celebration, like a party.
Hey, you say party, and the Herefords are there.
No, it's all good. Hey, it's just gonna be loud and heaps of people. Hey, but I'm keen for the stroll.
Oh no, if your culture's having a celebration, we would love to come and support. To the parades we go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you for joining us on Fresh. We hope you enjoyed the show.
More freshness next week.
Until then, be great.
Stay safe.
And take care of each other.
We're gonna go see our mate Owen.
Keep it fresh.
Maori, we are Melvin Kitty Fest.
Proper Fresh, I'm Baba. This is my show, Lonely Fans. Me and the boys are gonna go to the library at lunchtime and save the world one book at a time.